Is the trendy pink debit card in your wallet actually trustworthy? Monzo has transformed the way millions of people bank in the UK, but with any new technology, a big question always looms: is Monzo safe and regulated like the high street banks? It's a completely fair question, and the short answer, for customers in the UK, is a resounding yes, absolutely. Here's the breakdown you need to understand exactly where Monzo stands. First, let's talk about the big one: regulation. Monzo isn't just a tech company that happens to handle money, they are a fully licensed UK bank. They were granted a full banking license back in 2017. What does that license mean? It means they are authorized by the Prudential Regulation Authority, or PRA, and regulated by both the PRA and the Financial Conduct Authority, the FCA. These are the exact same powerful regulators that oversee every single major, established bank in the UK. This isn't some digital loophole, it's the real deal. Now, on to security for your money. Because Monzo is a fully regulated UK bank, your eligible deposits are protected by the Financial Services Compensation Scheme, the FSCS. This is the government-backed scheme that protects customers if a bank were to fail. The limit is the standard £85,000 per person. So, if you have £85,000 or less in your Monzo account, it is protected, just as it would be in Lloyd's or Barclays. Beyond the big regulatory framework, Monzo has also built in some serious security features directly into their app. Think of it as a digital fortress for your cash. For example, you get instant notifications for every single transaction, which means if something suspicious happens, you know immediately. Plus, if you lose your distinctive pink card, you can instantly freeze it in the app with a single tap, which is often much faster than trying to call a traditional bank. They also employ sophisticated, industry-first anti-fraud tools, like their call status feature, which lets you instantly check in the app if a call claiming to be from Monzo is genuinely coming from their support team, helping to block phone scammers in their tracks. They've also added extra layers of security, like requiring a unique QR code or a trusted contact to approve large, high-value payments. In summary, the convenience of Monzo's digital-first approach does not come at the expense of safety or regulation. They have the full backing of UK banking regulations, the critical FSCS protection, and they've actually pioneered new, innovative security features that put you in more control of your money than ever before. With that said, thanks for watching, and until next time.